bit here, we?
Alright, so today, Street Bike Tommy is gonna come down this ramp looking like a bowling ball, launch into all of us standing out here as the human pins and knock us down. Do I look like the 10 pin?
You do look like the 10 pin.
That's what I am.
Awesome.
It's pretty slippery out there.
Yeah, and the reason it's slippery out there, that's sex lube. Lube it up, boys!
So we're getting ready to do a bit called the slip and bowl, but really it's just a big ruse to get all the guys in the middle of a big slippery mess so we can fly a remote control helicopter in that has paintball guns mounted on either side. It's gonna suck.
Here we go, quiet please. All right,
Oh, no, why?
goggles on, guys. Goggles on, guys. Let's get the intro.
I'm Street Bike Tommy, and this is Slip and Bowl.
Go.
I'm almost feeling bad now.
Who is that?
Who is that?
Dave. Not Dave England. Not Smoke.
Oh my God. This whole thing was just a big, elaborate ruse to get you on something slippery.
I heard the noise. I was like, "Are you guys cool with this like sound?"
Yeah, I was thinking.
And then all of a sudden, I saw the camera, and I was
I
like,
wasn't in the bit, you know, I wasn't around.
Yeah,
I'm like, if they see me not
Yeah.
around, they're going to get suspicious.
everything was obvious.
And that's why I was worried about it not going too fast, because I don't want you. I don't want you to fall.
Joke's on you now, boy.
I actually deserve that.